Hi, you like your little...
soap.
I like your toys, Dawn.
Huh?
Your toys.
Yeah, I got some toys.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Zooming in on you.
No.
Yeah. Taking a picture. Looking at your toys.
I'm the band. I just have it in my album.
Now, when you look at this little screen, is it black and white?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Don't you take pictures of me, Donald? I'll erase it.
Oh, I guess you can move this
Look
around.
at my stickers.
Yeah, I saw them. Took pictures of
Look
them.
at my stickers.
I took pictures of them, Dawn.
Look at my stickers.
Yeah.
Grandma,
Mm-hmm.
look at my stickers.
I'm gonna walk around a little bit.
Tinkle's going back.
Okay.
Oh, come on now. I know. But look.
New robe.
That's your high check.
Very
Grandma's.
delightful.
I'll do a little. You know. Get my double chin.
Really. Very nice, girl. Nice. Where'd Carrie go?
She's upstairs. She's at home.
He has carried 11 times already for 71 yards here for the Mountaineers. Now Harvey Smith will replace Calvin Phillips and bring the play in from Neyland's sideline.
Interesting.
This is a camera.
Like a decent deal.
This is Ray's.
Oklahoma
Oh
State
my gosh, we're gonna
strong
be
defensive
here.
players
You
just
are.
walking off
No, I'm just playing.
your shoulder
What?
against his arm.
I mean,
Playing with
you
it.
know, I don't want to have
He was one of the guys
them
that
to erase me out of all their films.
Oh, no way.
Oh, okay, I'll let you go back. Take a picture of this down below our house and look at it now.
Yeah.
She was. I told her it's time to get out pretty soon, and she said, "Oh no." Maybe the water's leaking.